and flip it over real quick, and with our hot boiling water, we're going to simply pour it over the skin. As you can see, it is starting to shrink a little, and we go down all the way. This is going to help us remove the skin in a very easy, very convenient way. That should be about enough right there. We're going to go ahead and get this out the way. And now, simply stick your fingers in there, and we start to peel off our skin this way. There's some pieces, just go ahead and grab them and continue with the rest of it. Beautiful. Just get all that off. Perfect. And drop it back in there. This piece off here, and the last one. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our salmon, come this way, and we're gonna flip it this way. Perfect. Like that. Come here. Right about here, we're gonna make a cut. Put that to the side for later. We make some deep incisions diagonally, just like this. Now we come this way, follow me. Grab our pineapple, twist it off. Beautiful. Let's put that to the side. And as you see, we have here our skin. Green bell peppers and red onions. We're going to go ahead and start to plug them in here. We come back and grab some teriyaki sauce. Nice. Go ahead and... Alright guys, now finish it off with a little salt. And we're going to roll this guy up. Beautiful. Carefully. Let's go ahead and roll. Nice. Now we're going to go ahead and grab this salmon roll and bring it over here. Look at that beauty. Now all we got to do is grab ourselves a little baking sheet, get our salmon pineapple roll. Alright guys, now one last step before we send this bad boy to the oven. Nice little butter. It'll melt perfectly in there. A little crushed black pepper, and we are off to the oven. Alright guys, we just pop this in the oven, and we'll be right back to pick it up. And we have our beautiful pineapple right here. We have this bacon lattice, guys, ready for y'all. Just need to move it over a little bit, so I'm gonna bring it this way, right towards the edge. We have delicious teriyaki sauce. Go ahead and twist this around just a bit. Get it all over there. Nice. Now we just brush our bacon lattice nicely like that, and we go ahead and roll it up. Let's move it over just a bit, and we roll. Nice and tight. Tuck that in. Pull it in tightly and keep rolling until it is completely covered. Just like this. Tuck that in, and for the edges, we're gonna go ahead and tuck them inside. There we go. We come right over here. We have some Old Bay spices, guys. We're gonna roll it, rock it back and forth just like this. Get it nice and covered. Go ahead and stand it up and move over this way to the next step. Go ahead and follow me over. This is hot. Just grab this carefully, and we're gonna push it out. It should be nicely cooked and extra juicy. Let's find out. Push. Go. Okay, and now guys, we're gonna go ahead and shred this up a little. Alright, and now we're simply gonna grab some of this and come back into our bacon wrapped pineapple and stuff it. Any of it. And now we are going to the oven. Beautiful. This way, guys. Now we're going to place this back in the oven for 25 minutes and we'll be back to pick it up. Go ahead and get some of this nice teriyaki pineapple salmon.